What's up? Yeah, I've had probably the most horrible day that I've ever had. I don't understand, like, out of everything, life can just keep throwing you these things, like, right in a row. Like, it's never one thing. It's just like a flood of things, and like it's on so many different levels that it affects me emotionally and physically, and it's just really tearing me down and exhausting me, and I don't understand, like, as a person, like, how to deal with it.
Paperclip.
Your day really was crappy. I'm sorry.
I know what you mean. You just found this paperclip on the floor. Completely reminded me of your entire situation. See the way it just goes around and around? It's like you, man. You're my paperclip. Your life sucks. You're going back now.
My day sucked so bad.
I know. What you were telling me, it really did suck.
Well, from a philosophical standpoint, I mean, honestly, paperclips have been known to extend life. And by the way, you suck. I'm out.
Man, my day has just sucked.
Yeah.
Paperclip, you suck.
Yeah, but with all that's going on in your life right now, I could see why you'd be so angry. I mean,
Wait,
you've had.
where's Chrissy?
You're not focusing on the important issues right now. Remember, we were talking about what's going on in your life. I mean, you're acting really weird lately, like you're in some kind of, crazy state. Of course, I mean, who knows where Chrissy is anyways? I mean, who knows if there even is a Chrissy? I mean, if you think about it, you don't know anything for sure. Your brain could just be in a jar receiving electrodes, and you're going to be getting all kinds of signals that tell you what to see and what not to see, or who's sitting next to you, or who's talking to you. I mean, you just can't tell anything about life, and it's kind of like what's going on in yours right now. Everything's going crazy and changing, and you don't know how to handle it. So you're asking me about where Chrissy is and not focusing on the issues at hand.
And why do we keep changing clothes?
Would you rather us be naked?
Oh man! What's going on?
Oh, what's not going on?
Why are we naked?
Don't make it weird, man.
What just happened?
This is a dream. Anything can happen.
So, my inner demons could fight off death?
No, I don't think you would win.
There can be only one Highlander.
You're back. Where'd you go?
Never left.
Yeah, well, my grandmother just died, my dog bit me, and my friend got shot. Pretty much every bad thing that could happen to me today has. Just kind of feel like life's raining down on me. What the hell was that?
Fairy? God.
And on top of having the worst day ever, I have so much drama in my life. I feel like I'm in one of those old gangster movies.
Daddy, I love him.
The answer's no.
Don't you understand?
I understand it's never gonna work.
Joey wants to talk to you. Says it's important. You gotta come with me.
I just wish I had more control.
More control over what's going on?
Yeah.
Well, actually, your dreams can control a lot. You know, there's some people that believe that if you die in your dream, you can die in real life.
That'd be weird.
Yeah.
And basically, out of everything that has happened to me today, the only thing that hasn't is me dying. So if I could just die, that would be great. It would make my day complete.
I was just kidding.
This has just been like the most horrible day ever. And it just seems like it keeps getting worse and worse. I just feel like I'm stuck in this room and I can't get out. And I really don't know what to do.
Just wake up.
What?
Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
Man. God. I just had the craziest dream.
I know.
The answer's no.
Don't you understand?
I understand it's never gonna work. Oh man! Oh, you're just shit. Why are we laughing and why are we laughing? Man, my day really sucks. Yeah,
Paperclip.
it really sucks. Yeah.
Paperclip.
Boom boom shakalaka boom 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 shakalaka boom 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 boom